Precision cutting only happens when you start with a precision built. This is the CrossFire XR CNC plasma table, and before it cuts its first part in your shop, our knowledgeable team in our Houston production facility makes sure every component is assembled to deliver accurate cuts from day one. The XR features a 96 by 48 inch rigid steel construction and a 750-pound C-channel frame, allowing it to support a full 1 inch thick metal sheets. The structural 65-gallon water table is reinforced with a tubular frame to facilitate sliding large pieces of material into place. CrossFire XR uses half-inch ball screws for superior positional accuracy, faster accelerations, and less backlash compared to rack and pinion machines. Knowing that cut quality is crucial for your business, the included Langmuir Systems torch height control actively works to maintain torch height over wavy and warped materials. The CrossFire XR does what it's built to do, turning metal sheets into your designs while being able to nest your cuts on full sheets of material, minimizing material loading and waste. Cut mild steel, stainless, aluminum, and any conductive metal with clean edges and repeatable accuracy. From simple brackets to complex assemblies, custom signage to precision components, what you design is what you cut. The CrossFire XR precise and accurate build makes clean cutting easy. And clean cutting means less grinding, less finishing, and less waste of time. Expand your work area, expand your projects with industrial capability and shop-proven reliability. Import your designs, set your parameters, and execute with precision. The CrossFire XR CNC plasma table, built in Houston, built to perform.